Is it time to buy or sell the SOXL ETF? In this video, we are diving deep into the SOXL. Our initial report was published on our website on the 14th of October, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 14th of October, 2024, our system has ranked SOXL as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 3.09. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it develops in the days ahead. The exchange-traded fund has broken through a significant and declining short-term trend. Initially, a slower rate of decline is indicated, which may signal an early shift in the trend. In response, there will be support at the top of the currently broken trend, which is $34.95. This level could offer a second chance for a strong upward movement. According to fan theory, $52.30 is the next potential peak and may serve as a resistance level that might not be surpassed on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend suggests an anticipated change of approximately negative 25.11% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 67.68% to negative 35.87%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it indicates a potential change of 40.55% over the next year, with a possible return between negative 2.93% and positive 156.21%. This translates to a price range of $39.62 to $104.59 after a year. Our latest daily update for SOXL includes the headline, Strong Day for SOXL ETF Price on Monday, rising just over 5.5% to $40.82. The SOXL ETF price gained just over 5.5% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 14th of October, 2024, increasing from $38.67 to $40.82. During this trading day, the ETF fluctuated 4.35%, ranging from a low of $39.35 to a high of $41.06. The price has increased in 7 of the last 10 days and has risen by 11.42% over the past 2 weeks. Volume also saw an increase on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator with a total of 11 million more shares traded than the previous day. In total, 69 million shares changed hands for approximately $2.8 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $70.08, while the lowest price was $14.01. Currently, the price is 41.75% or $29.26 below the 52-week high and 89.21% or $337.42 below the all-time high reached on the 26th of November, 2020, when the price peaked at $378.24. The semiconductor sector has been experiencing notable bullish momentum, with the S&P 500 Semiconductors Index rising over 80% this year. This surge is largely driven by an increased demand for chips utilized in cloud computing and artificial intelligence. As supply chain pressures and inflation begin to ease, semiconductor sales are climbing, making SOXL, a leveraged exchange-traded fund focused on the semiconductor market, an appealing option for traders looking to leverage this trend. Recent reports emphasize a strong interest in chip makers. some of which have emerged as giants among the world's largest companies, further igniting enthusiasm in this sector. In addition, hedge funds have been actively accumulating technology stocks, anticipating favorable interest rate cuts that could enhance market performance. While the short-term outlook for SOXL appears promising, with analysts predicting a potential year-end rally, investors should exercise caution. The high volatility associated with leveraged exchange-traded funds means that while gains could be significant, the associated risks are equally substantial. Technical analysis suggests possible downturns, and some experts caution that long-term holders could face considerable losses due to the daily rebalancing and elevated holding costs. Overall, while the environment is conducive to growth in semiconductor sales, potential investors in SOXL should carefully consider these inherent risks of high volatility and market fluctuations in the longer term. The following signals have been identified for SOXL. The SOXL exchange-traded fund is currently showing buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is an overall buy signal based on the relationship between these two averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. Should there be a downward correction, support can be expected at levels of $38.07 and $34.57. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Notably, trading volume is increasing alongside the price, which is generally seen as a favorable technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which could impact short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Wednesday, August 21, 2024, with the stock having decreased by 2.18% since then. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is a current sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots signaled a sell approximately 38 days ago. Bollinger Bands provided a buy signal around 127 days ago. The short-term moving average indicated a buy signal 8 days ago. The long-term moving average also suggested a buy signal 9 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal 14 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a buy signal 19 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 59 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal 49 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for SOXL. On the downside, this exchange-traded fund finds support just below today's level, with accumulated volume at $35 and $34.96. There is an inherent risk when an ETF is testing a support level, as breaking this level may lead to a decline toward the next support level. In this instance, SOXL has support just below today's level at $35. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $34.96 and $32.16. This ETF can experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is categorized as high risk. Over the last day, the ETF fluctuated by $1.71 between its high and low, which translates to 4.35%. During the past week, it has averaged daily volatility of 5.62%. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SOXL. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SOXL stands at $41.92. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could serve as a significant point for swing trading. On the downside, SOXL faces its initial support level at $35. If this support holds, it might present a favorable entry point with the expectation of a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $39.01, reflecting a decrease of 4.44%. This exchange-traded fund experiences significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a considerable level of risk. A sell signal has emerged from a pivot top identified 37 days ago. Is SOXL ETF a good buy? Several short-term signals are positive, and the breakout from the falling trend suggests a potential shift in direction. We believe that the prices near the breakout point will represent particularly favorable levels. Additionally, we think that the current price is likely to serve as a solid buying opportunity for the short term. Our analysis has been revised since the last evaluation, changing from a hold or accumulate recommendation to a buy candidate. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 15th of October, we anticipate that SOXL will open lower, down 410 cents, and begin trading at $40.41. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.